Really? Up here?
Let's see. Like right.
So we're ready.
Well, let's see. Let's see the end of the tailbone kind of over here.
That's his back
I'm just trying to see.
or her back. I don't know. The baby's back.
Wow, that is just so pronounced.
He says it's the uterus, though. That it's, I guess. I don't know.
Come in. I'm like trying to see what. Look at this such pronounced little part
Yeah,
here.
I
I'm
know.
like, what is that?
Yeah,
Is
that's
that
just
the elbow or?
the hanging,
I-
hanging Chad.
I know. It's the elbow.
Is it?
That's an elbow right there.
What just poked out right there?
Yeah. Okay, so down here, so it looks like the bottom is over here.
Okay.
I was,
That's what we want to make sure of because it was sort of rounded and
yeah.
bottom and.
But by
make sure.
looking at him right now, do
But I'm not sure yet. Let me just, because it looks like that's a bladder, but.
can you guys tell how much the baby will be?
No, I mean, they can make an estimate, but that's not really important, and it's not, you know,
So,
measuring size.
so
and
see,
stuff.
I'm still looking at the spinal
Yeah.
bone, right? And that's kind of come down, so it's over here.
You know, do you got
The
a head?
tailbone is kind of
You
over
got a head
here,
up,
and
head in
right there,
here,
yeah.
yeah. So it's
It's
head
kind
down,
of-
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So that's okay.
Yeah.
Like an
Just,
angle.
make sure the head's
Yeah.
here, not the butt.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's.
Yep.
because she's putting a lot of effort into trying to have this baby normally.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
don't want to wait till the last minute, have her come in and hard labor and say, oh, sorry.
So,
So it won't change your position.
but the head is kind of more.
I know, that's
Oh, it's
okay.
okay.
It's
Okay.
okay, yeah.
Okay.
It's,
That's it.
we're still